How to reboot remote hosts with Ansible? I'm going to show you in a live demo with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Burton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about Ansible module Reboot. The full name is ansible.builtin.reboot, which means that is part of a collection of modules built in with Ansible and shipped with Ansible-core. This module is pretty stable and out for years and supports a large variety of operating systems. The purpose is to reboot a remote machine, wait for it to go down, come up, and respond to commands. For Windows target, use the ansible.windows.win_reboot module instead. This module has no required parameters, but some of them might be nice to know. Let me summarize the most useful parameters and also explore with you the process. The reboot_timeout defines how much time you expect before a machine returns up and running. The real timeout is double by real because of the process of reboot and test command success. First step in the reboot process is to print a message to all the connected users. You could keep the default reboot initiated by Ansible or customize using MSG parameter. Secondly, is going to execute the reboot command OS specific. If you need a specific one, please customize the reboot_command parameter. You could define also some extra delay time using the pre_reboot_delay or post_reboot_delay integer value. Both are default to 0. Once rebooted the target host, Ansible is going to verify the workstation fully working using a test command. The default is whoami, but you could customize using the test_command parameter. This module could return also the amount of time needed for bootstrap process reading through kernel specifically. The default is /proc/sys/kernel/random/bootid. Let's jump in a real-life playbook to demonstrate how to reboot a remote host with Ansible playbook. Are you ready? Let's do it! And welcome to my editor. I would like to show you a playbook that is going to reboot some target machine. So, first of all, let me start my YAML file. So, as usual, 3-. I'm going to define one play that is named Reboot Module Demo. Done. And with some parameter hosts, let me target all the hosts. I need a privilege escalation because we need a root privilege to perform the reboot task, so become true. Let me specify only one task that is going to be named Reboot Hosts. and then the module will be ansible.builtin.reboot, some parameter, for example, the message to display to all users, reboot by Ansible will be clear enough. Let me fix the typo. Then I'm going to define some time before reboot, so pre_reboot_delay. Let me set to 5 seconds, and then post delay. Let me use the same text and change pre to post. So post_reboot_delay 10 seconds. You could increase if you need more services. Test command. Let me define who am I. That is the default, but just to show you that you can add another command. So one playbook with one play and one task. And we are expecting to reboot our system and display a message. And welcome to my console. So first of all, let me connect to the target host. In my case, I'm going to use SSH connection. User is DevOps and the system is called demo.example.com. Let me verify the uptime, so the amount of time that this system is up and running. In my case is 12 minutes, so not a lot, but it's still up and running. So let me disconnect and execute the Ansible playbook to reboot this machine. Like usual, Ansible-playbook-e, my inventory file, in my case is demo inventory, and then my reboot playbook, the one that we see in the editor. So it will be reboot remote machine, reboot.yml, and I'm going to expect one task called reboot hosts in a status changed. It will take up to 15 seconds because that was the time that we define as a pre and post delay. Here we are. Good job. We have a change status. Let me verify the uptime of the target machine. So again, SSH DevOps demo example.com, uptime again, and ta-da! 0 minutes. Let me highlight that this type of playbook is not idempotent. So every time you launch, you're expecting to execute the action on the target machine. So bear in mind. Now you know how to reboot remote hosts with Ansible. Subscribe to channel to not miss the next episode of Ansible Pilot, and have a great day!